Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malaysia. Let's get started. Alright, hey y'all, today I have a video for y'all, and that is my school supply haul. I am going back to college. I'm very excited because I actually didn't think that I was going to, but I am. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, even though I don't start classes until like I think the end of August. I think I decided to go ahead and get some stuff now. I probably will have to go back and get more stuff just because I'm going to a different school. A video on that will come later. And with going to this different school, I know that I will have to take more classes at a time. Like at Purdue Global, I only had to take 2 classes at a time. And I'm pretty sure at my new school, I will have to take more than 2 classes at a time. Like I think minimum 4 classes, maybe 3. I'm not sure, but when I find out, I will show you that video. So today I'm going to be showing you my school supplies for college. I'm going to online college still. However, I feel like these school supplies will be good for if you are going to college, like if you're actually going to the class. So first of all, I am going to start with this. This is a planner from Pen and Gear. Pretty much all of the stuff that I got is from Pen and Gear. Now I was going to wait until I went to like TJ Maxx to get a planner, but I decided not to just because I get sidetracked sometimes, and this was only $6 anyway. It's small, I can fit it in my purse. I like how it's hard covered, hard back, whatever, because then I can carry it with me and it won't get messed up. It starts from July, but you know, I like that I can take it out and replace the pages. So it's just cute pastel. Nothing too much, nothing too little. So yeah, get you a planner because for college you'll have a lot of stuff and you'll need to keep track of it all. It's not as easy as high school. High school, I feel like, you know, you have the same classes, same times. You never leave the school until you're done. However, with college, you may have one class for an hour, and then maybe 3 hours later, you have to come back and have another class for 2 hours. It's a bunch of homework, bunch of research projects. It's different. Just get you a planner because it will help you stay so much more organized. I promise. All right. Along with the planner, of course, you're gonna need things to write in it. I got pens. These are big pens. These were only like $1 for this pack. It's the Bic Crystal Extra Smooth, up to 35% smoother. Honestly, I like Bic pens, and these are just black, and they came with 3 extra colors. So you have an orange, purple, and blue in there. They look like this. I have no issue with Bic pens. I feel like they're like OGs, just like everybody likes Bic lighters. Bic pens, and they're cheap. Next thing Next thing I got were some mechanical pencils, because I don't like regular pencils, and these were just so colorful and cute, and they were like $2, and I'm probably being extra, but I thought they was cute. And I'm not sure if I have to take math again, and I noticed that when I took it last time and I only wrote in pen, I scratched out a lot of mistakes, and that just takes up a lot of paper. So therefore I got some mechanical pencils. These are Papermate's Sharp Writer. Number 2 pencils. If you are going to school, then make sure that you get number 2, because schools only take number 2 pencils for some reason. Next thing I got is something that will keep my notes adorable, which is highlighters. Highlighters are good. If you have your books and you own your books, then you can highlight important things in your books, in your notes, and you can also color coordinate just to make sure you know what you're looking for when you need to look for it. So highlighters, and these were like $2. I love back to school. It's cheap and it's just, yes. All right, next thing I got is this, also from Pen and Gear. This is just a plastic binder pouch, even though I didn't get a binder, But I'll be able to see where all of my utensils in this are, how much I have left of what, and I won't lose my pens because I have lost all the other pens I've had. So got a binder pouch, very simple. Okay, now probably the most important thing, since I am an online student, okay, the second most important thing, because the most important thing is going to be my laptop, is notebooks. Like I said, I'm not sure how many classes I'll have to take at a time yet, since I haven't registered yet. So I just went ahead and got 3 notebooks. These were literally $1 each, and they're such beautiful bright colors. I went with Pen & Gear again. Lots of the stuff I got is from Pen & Gear, because normally I say, you know, get 5-star, but I've just noticed that I don't have that type of money to be getting everything 5-star, like 5 different 5-star notebooks. I don't have that. I just don't have time. So if you are a college student, you know the budget. These beautiful, bright, college-ruled notebooks were $1. So I got purple, and this is actually wide ruled. I got, I'm gonna call this pink. Would y'all call this pink? And this is college ruled. And I also got this blue color, also college ruled. And what I liked about these for $1 is that they have pockets in them. So if I need to just put something in the pockets, I can just put something in the pockets. They're also perforated, so if I need to tear it out, I can tear it out. Okay, I have 3 holes, so if I want to end up sticking it in the binder to keep everything organized, I can do that. All right, that's all the school supplies I got, but I'm going to show you guys some other things I got because I feel like they have something to do with school supplies. And that I got some hair wraps because these are the heavy and thick Ouchless Goody ones, because I have thick curly hair right now. I have a rubber band in my hair, but I always lose my hair wrap, so hopefully these will be easier to find. Alright, next thing I got is these command strips. I didn't get these for my schooling per se. However, I thought that if you guys wanted to hang things in your lockers without, you know, leaving tape marks or anything, or in your dorm rooms, you should get these because they're supposed to be easy to stick and easy to take off without leaving any marks. Alright. Next thing I got is for your hair and body, because going back to school, you just want to be on point. So I got this 1-minute hair mask. It's great for college because you don't have a bunch of time. You know, you may not have 40 minutes to deep condition your hair. However, you have a 1-minute hair mask that is good for multiple things. This is good for being a mask, just a normal conditioner, and a leave-in. I'll probably use it as a leave-in and a conditioner because it smells so good. For some reason, I hate using hair masks. I hate using things for what they're supposed to be. This is the avocado extract one. I have tried these once before, and I will say that it was decent. However, I did rinse it out, so I'm excited to see it as a leave-in. Right, next things I got are for my face. Okay, if you guys can tell, I have bumps on my face. Look at that one. That one's pretty bad. I have bumps on my face right and there. It gets bad around that time. So I got some things from Claricel that should help me. My friend and this girl at work said that they use Claricel and it's really been helping to clear their acne. So I got some things. I got the Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment Wash. This has acne medication, maximum strength. It says it starts to work instantly and you'll have visible results as fast as 12 hours. So I got the wash, which looks like that. This was like $6. I also got the Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment Scrub. I'm not going to use this every day. I'll pretty much use this before bed, I think, because it says it is known to dry your skin out and it might peel a little bit. So I think I'll use it once a day. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the morning or at night, but right now I'm going to use it at night to see how it works out. And this will be on my, I'll do the deep scrub on my Pamper days, which is every Sunday. So this is a deep scrub and this is the wash. Now I needed a good moisturizer because I'm out of moisturizer, and this is the last thing I'm going to show you guys. So this is the Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Control Moisturizer, which is oil free because I have oily skin. So I just need a new moisturizer, and I thought I might as well get one that should work to help this as well. The other moisturizer I had was good in terms of smell, but it didn't really do anything to help my face, so I got this. Now, that's all I have for this haul today, guys. I'm going to say this is part 1 of my school supplies haul because I probably and most likely will end up getting more stuff that I don't need. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you are going back to school soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.